What up, guys? Welcome back to the recap. Today is the 5th of February, 2026. And let's get right into the recap, the trade that we took today. Let me fix my keyboard real quick. We do it like this. Let you guys sound. Yes. Sorry. So when we came into the day, let me go to ES first, actually, because the trade on ES was very clear. I didn't take it on ES, unfortunately. Was doubting myself because I normally only trade NQ. This was the trade I took. One little trade, but went break even. I went break even too quick. I journaled it as well. But let me get in what I saw on the day. So in my head, I came to the charts around 9-ish, and we were still. Let me mark it out with this. We were like down over here. So my eyes were officially, of course, to these lows. I was very bearish, but I wanted to see like market open higher to tap in this 1 hour fair value gap. We didn't get it, unfortunately. We went lower, then get higher and get the 10 a.m. tap. I didn't enter on, oh, let me go back. I didn't enter on the 2 because we also had 10 a.m. new, so wasn't trading before 10 a.m. No, entered at 10. Yeah, no, wasn't not trading before 10 a.m. If that was the case, I should have entered because this is like exactly what I just told you in the last video. Like, this is so clean. We get a 1 hour fair value gap with a 5-minute CISD, not a range because it like we already had TP when we formed the range. But with a 5-minute CISD on ES, it's very clear. This was the trade I should have taken, but I didn't. Let me go back on NQ what I did take. So when we get the displacement, originally I ended over here and I should have held because the 5-minute inversion looked really good. I already knew we are gonna get the 5-minute CSD, but this is the low I was looking for, and this is the low on ES. So when we took this low on ES. I just took it off on NQ and I just top tick that, bottom tick that. Sorry, but it was the trade I should have taken. Let me see. Oh, and then like my max TP just over here when ES took this low, so almost a 1 to 2, but it didn't. I just ended when on the 1 minute. Let me see. When we get the displacement, we get the tap and we see a respect of the fair value gap. I just entered, and then we just write it down until ES took this low, and I made not that much because stops were pretty big, so I sized down. Oh, 230. I made 230. So my loss back from yesterday. Let me see. There was one more setup that was really good today, actually. And I want to. Yes, this is. Let me clear this out, actually. So this setup I was initially eyeing for. I hope, because I had a limit, I had a limit market open, that we were going to tap in this 15-minute fair value gap. Let me see. It was the 15. I wanted to market open at 9:30 to open high, but we went lower. So I removed my limit. I shouldn't have done that. But the other trade was, of course, pretty amazing too. I don't know if we got SMT actually over here. I'm going to have a look in a bit. We get the 1 minute CSD over here. Sure that when we get the displacement, could take it above this high or this high. And just target these lows, for example, these lows. Or what I did when ES took that final low. But this could be a TP. Or just break even point and then say TP was when ES took this low, because on ES is way cleaner. Let me check if we got a SDI. Whoa, SMT. Where was it? Was what time? 9:52. No, we didn't got a SMT. No, we didn't. But it still looked good in my eyes. But the best trade, in my opinion, to take was when we get a 5-minute. Well, 5-minute inversion of this fair value gap. But I'm happy overall that I didn't chase the move, because sometimes what I would end up doing is when I miss the move, I just enter all the way down here, and then I will get stopped because we're going back up to retrace, to rebalance price, and then go lower. Still think on NQ, we're going all the way down to these lows. But yeah, let's see what tomorrow brings. Tomorrow's the final day of the week. I hope we can end the week green because now I'm at break even for the week. Didn't make any money. So let's see. And let me know in the comments what you guys took.